Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this deep smoky eye makeup look. I'm freaking loving this, okay? I'm not about these deep smoky eyes because I get a little nervous from them, but damn, just doing it makes me want to keep on doing it. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Before starting, I do want to apologize because it is gloomy outside, so how it looks outside, it does appear inside as well. So it's kind of dark and gloomy. Hopefully you can look past that and it's not that dark. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes. I'm going to use the BH Studio Pro Concealer, the Total Coverage Concealer. Now I'm going to set my lids and I'm going to dip into the Francation palette and use the shadow called Basic. I'm going to dip into the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'll be using this shadow right here. I think it's called Pukey if I'm not mistaken. I just love the shadow. It's a beautiful fall color. I'm gonna dip into that shadow. And I'm going to apply that eyeshadow in my crease from outer corner to inner corner, and I'm not being precise at all. One thing you always have to remember is when you're doing any type of eye look, always go back and forth and blend your shadow. Blending is key. Also packing on and patience. I'm going to take this Maybelline Eye Studio. I think it's like a gel liner. It's just eyeliner just in here. And this is going to be my base. Hopefully this works. Okay, this is not working. I'm gonna take my other liner. Hey, this is from Pretty Vulgar. Yeah, here we go. Let's do this one. This is so much better. That one from Maybelline might be dried out. And then I'm going to just feather out the outer corner. I'm going to dip my finger into Game Over. I've been wanting to use this shadow for so long. I look freaking weird right now. I'm gonna apply it right on top. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna dip in with the brush. Now I'm going to dip into the shadow right here, A Moment. The reason why I love this shadow is because if you look at it, it looks blue. But in certain angles, it's purple. So it's just like, whoa, so beautiful. So I'm gonna dip into that and apply it right in the middle. I'm going to clean my face off. I'm gonna dip into this shadow right here in the Jaclyn Hill palette. This one right here, and buff out the edges. It's like I'm making a sandwich with this. Dipping back into Game Over to apply more. So I'm just going back and forth and diffusing the Game Over and also the eyeliners because I don't want it to look so harsh. So I'm just smudging it out. Now I'm going to moisturize my face because I just washed my face because all that glitter. And I need to moisturize this bad boy. That's so good. I'm going to use concealer for my face. It sounds weird, but I do this a lot now. I use this for my under eyes and then this for like the contour of my face. And then I just apply a little bit of the e.l.f. You will see. This is Maybelline Fit Me and this is the e.l.f. concealer. I totally forgot the name of it. But yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna take a little bit of e.l.f., apply it right here. I'm going to apply Cafe. I'm going to take the Ciate London Wonder Wand Gel Kohl Liner, and I'm going to apply this right on my lower lash line. And then with this side right here, I can buff it, thank God. Okay, I'm dip into Pukey and buff it on the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna dip into that like burnt orange. I'm going to dip into Just a Kiss and apply that in my inner corner. I'm gonna apply some highlight on my brow bone. I didn't even know what to say for that. I'm going to dip into these two right here. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply the superhero mascara from It's Cosmetics. I'm going to use a City Proof up to 10-hour bronzing face powder from NYC. Just gonna apply a little. I say a little bit and watch me go ham, because that's how I am. Gonna bring it down downtown. Then I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette, and I'll be using the contour side to contour my nose. And then now I'm gonna dip into some Fuego. Pop that on my cheekbones. Ay, Dios mío. For my cheeks, I'm going to use this. This is from e.l.f. This is called Pinktastic. It's like a cheek topper, like a cheek highlight topper. So I'm going to be applying some lip gloss, and this is a lip gloss that DESI and KATY created with Dose of Colors, and it's called Over the Top. This concludes this makeup tutorial. Now with this eye look, since it's so smoky and deep, you can apply falsies to make it pop more, but I just chose to apply some mascara and just pack it on a little bit. Then with my lips, you can apply another lip if you want, but since my eyes are deep and smoky and it's like a gloss and a glitter to it, I wanted my lips to be soft and glossy and, you know, have that glitter to it, so I did this. I feel like this look came out so wonderful. I'm freaking loving it. Looks like this, I get nervous because like, oh my god, is this gonna turn out good? But you know what, just keep on doing it, have patience, pack on, and just don't give up, and it will happen. So since you're watching this, I hope I got you out of your comfort zone and you want to try a deep smoky look. You can do it, I'm telling you, because I'm not, you know, I'm not a makeup artist. I just love to do makeup, and I'm just here to show you that if I can do it, you can do it. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.